What's the meaning of centennial? Centennial. Centennial.
Centennial. Centennial. Centennial refers to a period of 100 years, or something that occurs once every 100 years. It is often used to describe special events or celebrations that mark the 100th anniversary of an important event or occurrence. These events can range from national holidays to local landmarks, and are often accompanied by various cultural displays and festivities. Centennial celebrations can be a time for reflection on the past, as well as a time of hope and promise for the future. Overall, centennial celebrations serve as a way to remember important milestones in history and celebrate the progress made since then.